Good evening, a very late evening here in London City. I have just arrived from Glasgow, so I've flown down from Glasgow here to London City. I am here for the Star Wars Celebration convention, so I'm here for the full weekend, and as always I'm going to vlog every single day from that weekend and bring that experience and my experience to yourselves, and that's all going to be on my channel. But this video, so subscribe to me if you want to see that. But yeah, this video is for the room that I'm staying in the hotel that I'm staying in. So I am staying in Holiday Inn Express, which is called Holiday Inn Express London XL. So that should, I think maybe there'll be other ones, I'm sure, but that's the name of it, the title of it. I'll give the information down in the description box. It's very close to the London XL. You're on the same row of hotels. You've got next door, I think it's a Travelodge, then it's a Moxie Hotel, then it's a Hampton by Hilton where I've stayed twice before. So that's the row you're looking at. You're across the water, directly across the water from the airport. The London City Airport. So yeah, this is going to be a tour of this room that I'm staying in. So this is a double room, and yeah, it's a bit strange so far, I know. Look at the two beds, one folded out already. I never done that. As soon as I came into the room it was like that, so it's very strange. But yeah, let's get straight into it. Let's have a look at this room. I'm staying here for 4 nights and I'm just getting myself settled. I've literally just walked through the door maybe 10 minutes ago. Got my jumper up there, I've got my bags not even unpacked yet. So let's have a quick look. So a quick overview and I'll start going into some more detail as well. So if this is your first time watching my channel, welcome. My name is Ian, aka MacBlogs, and I do travel, theme parks, different adventures, things that I enjoy, and I bring that to yourselves, just like this weekend at Star Wars Celebration. So the bathroom, will come back to that, just at the front door. So all your usual things, just make sure you get your card in there, get the power to the room, make sure you know where you are in regards to emergency escape routes. You've got the hangers on your door, hang on I'm still in, or if you want to get housekeeping you can hang that up on your door. So yeah, as you walk in, you see my shops. You have a decent hallway, good size mirror. Here we've got this kind of narrow section, which is pretty handy. The bin, coffee, real mugs, milks, sugars, teas, kettle, and you've got a spare shelf up there. I'm presuming this chair is sitting here, excuse the pun, the chair is sitting, because it should be over there, but because that's folded down, I'm probably going to fold that up for the duration, so I can use that table, that desk, be very handy for myself. So you get either a hanging space here, behind there you got a couple of hangers, you got the iron and ironing board, shelf at the top there with some spare towels, just going to adjust the camera there. And yeah, that's me into the main section of the room. Oh, sorry, the camera nearly fell out my hand. Hair dryer, which again is unusual to be out here, but I see what they're doing. It's out here next to the mirror. So looking back in the hallway there, you have a single power outlet socket. And yeah, walking in, thermostat, cool canvas, and that, like I always say, first impressions always do count for me. It's clean and it's thereabouts in regards to modern, like decoration wise. I mean, this carpet is very clean, looks very new, all well maintained, well looked after. So bedside, you've got the kind of floating shelf there, you have a light there with a little switch on it, plenty of pillows. You even have, oh I don't know, I was going to say have space under the bed, but just I've seen like a shadow effect, which is the same colour as the carpet, so you don't have space underneath the bed to slide any bags under. That's what I was going to say you did, but we don't. Over here, so just one power outlet that I use. In these circumstances where there's just one power outlet, I've got like a socket that goes in with it. It has like 4 USB attachments that helps me on my travels. So light again, main switch for the light, little switch there for the bedside light. Now I cannot really get to the view, but you can probably make out through the netting there that it's just a car park. Nothing too exciting. However, what I will do is, if I remember during the day, because it is dark anyway just now, it is coming up for about 11 PM or just after 11 PM, I will put in the clip just now of during the day. So if I remember, hopefully this works out. So put that clip in just now, and we'll come back. So hopefully I remembered to do that. If not, this video is just going to be strange. His desk, TV. So TV is not directly in front of the main bed. It's just at an angle there, which I don't mind. It's okay. I actually prefer that rather than. Actually, yeah, I think I probably do prefer that be at an angle rather than straight on. Like nothing. I don't know why I'm showing you a wall, but yeah, TV's not here. TV's there. So yeah. So let's have a look at see what do we have here. We have a spare battery for my camera. So this little shelf here, which is cool for your remote. This is fancy a free drink at the bar. Pretty handy. There you go. Scan that if you want a free drink at the bar. Hopefully they deliver to your home. So all day dining. This is the menu at their Express Cafe bar. So is that 24/7? It's just any time there. Interesting. May have to give that a go. Probably will give that a go, or I'm going to stay here. So there's, I'll just scan through this fairly quickly, and you can stop the video, pause the video. Oh, nachos. Yeah, you can have a little look yourselves in more detail if you wish by pausing the video. So yeah, that might come in handy for me. I mean, the price is there. I was scanning the video there and I never really looked at the prices, but we've got £7.50, meatballs, chicken wings, nachos, spring rolls. For a hotel, I mean, these pizzas, £15.50. But I mean, they're thereabouts, depending on the portions, of course. But yeah, that's good. So 2 sockets here. A little lamp swings out there. That's cool. I like that. Swivel on it. That's pretty cool. You can turn that. Looks like you can turn that as well. Yeah, I like that. Pretty smart. And that's really the main room. There's nothing else to show in the main room. So let's go back the way into the. So it's not a bathroom because there's no bath, but shower room, I like to call it. And it's very nice. Again, very, very clean. So even just look, again, first impressions, it does look very new. All very well maintained, so even you look at the tiles, very, very clean. The shower itself looks clean. It's very big, it's a very big shower. Yeah, so let's have a look what we've got here. Shaving point, plastic cups rather than glass. We have, what's that? Parsley stem, hand and body wash. Oh, there's soak. It's a superfood skincare. That's something new. There we go. Superfood skincare. I mean, it's edible. I won't be eating that. Right, let's go in the shower. So grab rail, little tray there, shower of course, and there's more. See, does that one say? So that's Purple Kale shampoo. Wow, I'm gonna go around smelling like food. Something different. I haven't seen that before. As you know, I've done a lot of hotels. That's something new. The little hook there. Toilet of course. Sink. All very, very good. All very clean. Toilet there as well. Turn myself round, or turn yourself round. Very impressed. First impressions. Obviously I haven't even sat down in the bed yet, so I don't know how comfortable it is, but I am really, really tired today, so it doesn't really matter how comfortable it's going to be. I'm going to fall asleep, but I will report on that if you watch the future vlogs. Don't have to, I'm just saying I will be staying here, so I'm pretty sure I'll mention that in those videos. And that's really it. So yeah, like I say, thank you for watching me. If it's your first time watching me, hopefully you enjoyed that video. So it's something different that I put out there on my channel, and I just tick kind of different boxes in regards to travel, because I do travel often to go and do different things. The main thing for me is Orlando. That is my second home, so all you guys that follow me and subscribe to me would probably already know that, of course. But if it's your first time, I love Orlando, Florida, and I'm going back and forth all the time. So yeah, if you like that type of content, like theme parks, Walt Disney World, Universal Studios, and different hotels from there, different things to do over there. I'm even going on a cruise, my first Disney cruise, on a Disney Wish this year, and a few other things that I haven't mentioned and I will not mention because it's a very, very, very cool surprise. And surprises coming this year, so it's full out this year, all out. And if you like Star Wars, I'm at the kind of biggest convention for Star Wars here at London ExCeL. Super, super excited. Very, very cool. All the kind of famous actors are going to be there, I believe. Yeah, who am I going to meet? Who am I going to see? What am I going to do? Am I going to be overwhelmed? It's going to be cosplay there, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, I'm going to bring that to yourselves. So stick around. If you like that type of content, hit subscribe, support the channel, follow me live. It's kind of live updates really, not live on Instagram and Facebook, where I post kind of live updates on what I'm doing and where I'm going and all that stuff if you wish. So thank you for watching this video. Until next time, whatever that might be, hope you're all well. I will see you then. Bye bye.